Hello friends, welcome to my channel Master the Monster. Let's enter into the world of polynomials. Trust me, this is going to be an easy and interesting section of mathematics. You may have few doubts and questions regarding polynomials, the degree of polynomials, zeros, division of polynomials, what are quadratic polynomials, geometric meaning, all those things in your mind. No worries, let us sort out all the questions one by one. Before that, subscribe to my channel so that you will enjoy learning maths.
Class 10 Cbse Maths Chapter 2 Polynomials Exercise 2.4 Problem number 5. If the polynomial x power 4 minus 6x cubed plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 is divided by the another polynomial x square plus minus 2x plus k, the remainder comes out to be x plus a. Find k and a. Okay. Now this problem is entirely different from all other problems because in all other problems you might have dealt with the numbers, either dividing the polynomials or finding the zeros. You will be having all known constants, but here the problem is you are going to divide with using unknown constants, so like k and a. We are going to deal such problem, but don't worry, this is not going to be a tough deal. It's going to be easy only. Just we'll proceed with the division. We will divide this fourth degree polynomial with this quadratic polynomial as usual, and we'll obtain the remainder too. But while dividing the polynomials, we should be careful because you have a k here instead of number. So in that case, the simplification part alone, you should be a bit careful. Other than that, there is nothing hard in this problem. It's going to be an easy one if you do it clearly. If you learn it right here itself, then it will be easy for you to answer such type of questions anyway, right? Okay, now we'll start with the division. So given if the polynomial is divided by this polynomial, you get the remainder this. We'll find k and a. For that, we'll first actually divide the polynomials. The first polynomial is x power 4. Okay, now let me divide. Take the first term of dividend and first term of divisor. You get the first term of quotient, x square. Now multiply this first term of quotient with divisor so that you get x square x power 4 minus 2x cubed plus kx square. So now let me subtract it from the dividend. Now when you subtract, change the sign of the second terms so that you get minus 6 plus 2 minus 4x cubed. And this is the place where you have to be careful because you have a 16 and a k. So 16 and k, you cannot take it as 16k. Okay. It is only 16 minus k into x square. So when you couldn't subtract 16 and k, so keep it as 16 minus k into x square. And then the next term is minus 25x and the next term is plus 10. Okay, now we'll find the next part of the quotient. So minus 4x cubed by x square. So it is minus 4x. When you multiply minus 4x with the divisor, you get minus 4x. Minus 4x with the divisor, you get minus 4x cubed plus 8x square minus 4xk. Otherwise 4kx. Anything is right, okay? So now the quotient is minus 4x. And here let us subtract minus 4x cubed plus 8x square minus 4k into x. Now let me subtract by changing the sign so that 4x cubed gets cancelled. Here again be careful. See here the terms are, the first term is 16 minus k and the next term is minus 8. So 16 minus k minus 8, you can combine only 16 and 8. So 16 minus 8 is 8. So we get the result to be 8 minus k into x square, right? And the next term is minus 25 plus 4k. So it is plus minus 25 plus 4k into x plus 10. Okay, now let me find the next part of the quotient. So that I'll divide 8 minus k into x square by x square. That gives me 8 minus k. So this is the next term of the quotient, plus 8 minus k. So when I multiply this 8 minus k into the divisor, x square minus 2x plus k, I get the terms to be, the first term is 8 minus k into x square. So it is 8 minus k into x square. So this is where you should be a bit cautious. The next term is 8 minus k into minus 2x. So you can multiply this minus 2 inside. That is 8 minus k into minus 2. So that you get plus minus 16 plus 2k into x. And then k into 8 minus k, that will be plus 8k minus k square. Okay. Now we'll substitute it here. So it is 8 minus k into x square plus minus 16 plus 2k into x plus 8k minus k square. Okay, now when I subtract, it is, the first term gets cancelled, and here you be careful that it is minus 25 minus minus 16, that is minus 25 plus 16, that is 9. Of course, it's minus 9. Okay, and then 4k minus 2k, it's plus 2k into x. This is the x term. And regarding the constant term, you get plus, first term is 10, the next term is minus 8k, and the next term is minus into minus plus k square. Okay, now the degree of the remainder is 1 and the degree of the divisor is 2. We'll stop the division here, and this is my remainder. Now you have already given x plus a is a remainder, isn't it? But we have got this term to be a remainder. Now what I am going to do is I am going to equate to both the reminders. That is the remainder given in the problem and the remainder that I have got. I will equate them both and I will equate their coefficients so that I will easily get what is k and what is a. Right? The remainder given in the problem is x plus a, and the remainder I have got is minus 9 plus 2k into x plus 10 minus 8k plus k square. Now what we are going to do is, see, this is a polynomial and this is also a polynomial. Both are linear polynomials, that is their degree equal 1. When will you say that two polynomials are equal, that is p of x equal q of x, the first thing is their degree should be equal. And then each coefficients, the coefficient of each term should be equal. So using that, see here the degree is equal, okay. Now we'll relate the coefficients. Here the coefficient of x is 1. So I'm going to equate the coefficients of x from both sides so that I get 1 in hand side, and in the right hand side I have minus 9 plus 2k. So that I can say 2k equal 1 plus 9, that is 10. So k equal 5. So we have got the value of k as 5. Now we'll equate the constant terms. Equate the constant terms both sides. So the constant term in the left side is a. So a is equal to, the constant term in the right side is 10 minus 8k plus k square. And I have got the value of k as 5. So this is equal 10 minus 8 into 5 plus 5 square. So 10 minus 40 plus 25, that gives me a equal minus 5. So this is how I get the value of k and a by dividing the two given polynomials and equating the coefficients of the reminders, that is the given remainder and the remainder I have obtained. Equating their coefficients, I got the values of A and